Children, our new topic is nutrition in amoeba. So let's start. What is amoeba? Amoeba is a unicellular organism that eats tiny plants and animals present in pond where it lives. Now the question arises, what is unicellular? Uni means single. What is the meaning of uni? Single. And cellular means cell. So amoeba is made up of single cell that is surrounded by a thin membrane. You can see in the picture also, this outer covering is a membrane. Okay, so amoeba is made up of single cell that is surrounded by a thin membrane. This cell is filled with protoplasm. Now what is protoplasm? Protoplasm is a colorless watery liquid comprising the living part of the cell. Okay, so protoplasm is a colorless watery liquid comprising the living part of the cell. So this single cell performs all activities in amoeba like digestion, absorption, ingestion, because amoeba is a unicellular organism. Now the next point is nutrition in amoeba. The mode of nutrition in amoeba is holozoic. Holozoic means this is the kind of nutrition where food is taken into the body as a solid and then further broken down. Okay, so what is the meaning of holozoic? The kind of nutrition where food is taken into the body as solid and then further broken down is called holozoic. So amoeba shows holozoic type of nutrition. Okay, and in holozoic nutrition, the animal consumes solid food by the process of ingestion, which is later digested and absorbed. Now what is ingestion? The process of taking in food into the body is called ingestion. Okay, it means taking in food into the body. Okay, now how does an amoeba catch its prey or take its food? Well, an amoeba takes in food by extending finger-like structure called pseudopodia. This finger-like structure is called pseudopodia. Okay, now pseudopodia word consists of two words, pseudo and podia. Pseudo means false and podia means foot. Okay, so amoeba takes in food by extending finger-like structure that is called pseudopodia since it is shapeless. Amoeba doesn't have well-defined body. It is irregular in shape. Okay, so pseudopodia are produced by amoeba from any part of its body. It moves by extending pseudopodia. Okay, and second function is amoeba ingests its food by using its pseudopodia. You can see in the picture. Okay, now how does digestion take place in amoeba? Let's see. When a food comes to amoeba, amoeba produces finger-like structure called pseudopodia. Okay, when a food comes to the amoeba, amoeba produces pseudopodia around the food particle and surrounds it. Gradually, the tips of the pseudopodia close. The tips of the pseudopodia close. As a result, food cavity is formed. The food particle forms a food vacuole. Food particle forms food vacuole. Now, what is the role of this food vacuole? It's a bag-like structure. You can see in the picture, food vacuole is a bag-like structure around food particle. Okay, so food vacuole contains digestive juices which break down food into nutrients and undigested food, or we can say waste. The nutrients from the food are directly absorbed by the body of amoeba, and the undigested food or waste are simply sent out of the body through a rupture. Anywhere in the cell. After the nutrients are absorbed, food vacuole disappear. So hence we have seen how digestion takes place in amoeba. I hope this video will help you in understanding the digestion in amoeba. Thank you.